Moving. Oh, now I'm recording. Scuffle. I don't know what else you want me to do, really.
Who's gonna win?
I don't know. I think Malia doesn't really give up, so.
Watch the clamshell.
Watch the clamshell.
I'll let you.
They're gonna resort to biting.
I can't watch that anymore.
See, that's what wrestling's gonna be like without guys. It's gonna be gay and have no point.
It's already gay!
Not
I watched
gay.
fucking UFC last night, and this is what they do. This is really a stand there. This is what they do.
Wait, I can't see. No, they strike more. They punch a lot more.
And then they just keep going.
Oh, I heard that one.
Wrestling's gonna be so gay. Wrestling. All types of manly.
All right, we're done.